How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be an update on Adam from Sodak Models. Me and him, we have a buddy build going on with the two SMP AMT vintage 60 and 61 Chevrolet long wheelbase pickups that he custom painted the bodies for. And before we get this video started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. Never cost you a dime. This is not a channel that asks you for money to grow. Don't ask for sponsorships, nothing like that. The only growth is this community, guys. All I ask for is anybody that I mention in any of my videos, I always leave a link in the description below for you to go check out. Go check them out, give them a like, share, subscribe, hit that bell, show them some love. That's all I ever ask for, guys. That's it. That's all I ever ask for. And yeah, this is like my second video. I'm trying to cram videos in. Of course, there'll be spaced days out, but yeah, being back on a third shift, I was on a 2-2-3 schedule where I was off, a couple days, then I'd be off 3 days here, and this and that. I worked I probably worked about half a year, and off half a year. Now I'm working every day again, third shift, and the weekends is the only time I got to get stuff done. So videos are few and far between, and especially getting caught up on videos, guys. I'm sorry if I miss some of your videos. Don't get mad at me, guys. I'm trying. I'll try to get caught up, but it's probably unrealistic to get caught up, but I'll try to catch them when they jump on my feed, and I'll sure try to get them watched, guys. We're all grown adults. If I can't get to your video, you can't get to mine. We know how it is. It's all good. It's not the end of the world. Not the end of the world. We're all good. Just working life. But I do love you guys. Do very much so. And like I said, I got I got my buddy build going on. I got the Terry Thacker build going on. I got the Porsche group build going on, and then in between, I try to build something for my buddy Don Yager every once in a while. So I'm staying pretty busy. I'm, not had a lot of time just to build one for me, but I'm gonna get there eventually. And yeah, I'm just yapping and everything else. So, like I said, this is the guy. This is the man of the hour right here. This is the guy. Adam from Sodak Model Cars. Here's his shop card. He's on, it looks like, I don't know if that's the gram or whatever, Facebook. Dude, I don't know what all that stuff is just about, but hey, I do know what that is. That's a Gmail right there. You go there and you can get a hold of him anytime you need to. Facebook, YouTube. The dude is awesome. He's one hell of a painter. And it shows up by these trucks right here, let me tell you. And yeah, go check him out, please, guys. This dude, I am not worthy. This dude, oh gosh, his paint jobs are amazing. So go check him out, and let's go check out Strawberry Slam over here. That's what she's called, Strawberry Slam. I'm gonna pause this out and take you over here and show you what I got done. Alright, guys, here we are. This is what we've got done. Let's see, let's move some of this stuff. Oh, and by the way, too, I got the parts in the mail today to finish this truck out. He resin cast the I guess that would be a heater core, the washer bottle, and the master cylinder, and two different sets of eyebrows for the hood. This is for like the 60, I think, and then these ones right here with the spears on them are the 61, whichever one I'm doing the one with the spears on it, and I think he's doing the other. So he resin cast those for me. Those two right here are the parts that I sent him right here, and he stripped the chrome off of them, and so I'll have to re-chrome those. But thank you very much, Adam. I got those in. I got the front and rear bumpers re-chromed right there. Here are the wheels that I'm going with. I put a black wash in it. They are the chrome reverse, the front and the rear steelies. And there's the other two right there. Let's see, I've gotten chassis. I still got to do some more paint work on the chassis and retouch up that exhaust right there. But it's simple chassis. Like I said, there's not going to be a lot of detail underneath here. It's just a promo style chassis. It's going to have the screws in it. I mean, no big deal. That's not what we're looking at anyway. We ain't going to be turning this thing over and saying, hey, check out my chassis. And then here is the interior. We've got the dash done up. You can see right there. Got the steering wheel. I put the automatic shifter up here. Put the blinker. I put a gas pedal down there. I put a brake pedal. Put carpet in it. I did the seat backs and the side door panels. And there she is, guys. Bob's your uncle. That interior is done. And I got the bed off this, the hood off. Of course, I've been doing some painting, guys. I painted underneath where the grill insert goes. I painted underneath here. It probably needs a little touch up right there, it looks like. Painted black around the back window and the front windshield. Can't see that very good or not. The rubber seal around it, because the chrome foil just don't show up too good on that silver, so I just went ahead and did the black on that. And here's my bed, guys. This right here, let's get it right here like that. You can see the bed. Okay, now that right there, of course, Adam already had the black laid down, so all I had to do was just dry brush my, let's see, brown acrylic paint, some tannish color acrylic paint, and then I used a clear orange by Tamiya and did the chrome foil for the slats back there, the rails, and then I put a floor polish over it, and that's what gives it that wood grain look. Everybody's got different ways of doing wood, and no way is right. Always remember that. Not their way, not my way. It's your way, guys. Whatever you think looks good. Not all woods are the same, and they don't look the same. It's like it's like trying to see the forest through the trees, guys. You know what I mean? You do it your way, and this is the way I do it. Like I said, it's not the right way. It's not the wrong way. It's my way, and I think it looks pretty dang good. Tell me in the comments if you like it. I think it's turning out pretty dang good. But yeah, to me, that is a good looking wood stain right there. I tell you what, Justin from J Hart Models, he can do some awesome wood staining too. That dude, of course, there ain't nothing that dude can't do. He's just flat out awesome. Look at that strawberry slam. She looks like a big old strawberry. So delicious. Just want to eat her up. Let's put one of these wheels underneath here so that you can kind of get an idea. Look at there. She is going to be sweet. Oh yeah. Adam, I can't thank you enough, buddy. She is absolutely going to be gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, go check Adam out. Check him out, and if I mentioned anybody else, Justin, whoever, you just go check them out in the description. Support everybody in this community. This community is growing. It is huge, and it is large, and it is awesome. Like I said, you might not be able to get to everybody. You might not be able to subscribe to everybody, but try. And Thank you guys. Love you very much. Bye.